Hey there. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your own images to any Canva template or design. A full 2025 guide that will make your creations truly your own. Whether you're customizing a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your images into Canva like a pro. First, start by opening the Canva template or design you want to work on. It could be anything, a ready-made template or a blank canvas. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the editor and click on the Uploads tab. This is where all your personal images will live, ready to be added to your design. Next, upload your image. You can either click the Upload Files button or simply drag and drop your image directly into the upload area. Canva will take just a few seconds to process it, depending on the size of your file. Once your image appears in the Uploads tab, it's time to place it on your design. Click and drag the image onto your canvas. You'll notice it will snap into place, whether it's a designated frame in the template or just floating as a standalone image. Now it's all about perfect placement. You can resize your image by clicking and dragging the corner handles and reposition it by clicking and dragging it across the canvas. If your image is inside a frame, double-clicking it allows you to scale and move it within that frame so you get exactly the look you want. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can fully customize your Canva designs with your own images, making them unique and professional every single time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out in your next Canva project. You'll be amazed at how much more personalized your designs can be.